Certified Fraud Examiner CFE Certification Exam. Let's get started. Which of the following is a category of informational interview questions? Is it A, leading? Or B, closed? Could it be C, open? Or lastly, D, all of the above? The correct answer is D. Here is why. Informational interviews can utilize all these question types: leading, suggesting an answer; closed, eliciting yes/no/short answer; and open, eliciting narrative. The choice depends on the interview phase and goal. Next question. If a fraud examiner working in the United States needs information on registration and disciplinary information regarding firms and individuals in the U.S. futures industry, he should contact the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA. Is it A, true? Or B, false? Could it be C? Or lastly, D? The correct answer is B. Here is why. This is false. The correct regulatory body for the U.S. futures industry is the National Futures Association, NFA. FINRA regulates securities brokers and dealers. Next question. A Uniform Commercial Code (UCC) filing search can help identify: is it A, personal property that an individual or business has financed? Or B, a list of companies that an individual is an officer or registered agent of? Could it be C, real estate ownership information? Or lastly, D, all of the above? The correct answer is A. Here is why. UCC filings are public records that show secured interests in personal property, collateral for loans. They do not show corporate officer roles, that's Secretary of State records, or real estate ownership, that's county property records. Next question. Which of the following situations would the U.S. Privacy Act of 1974 regulate? Is it A, a consumer reporting agency selling information to a background researcher? Or B, a federal agency distributing the medical and employment history of various individuals? Could it be C, a financial institution gathering credit data on consumers and businesses? Or lastly, D, a private individual collecting and maintaining information about other individuals? The correct answer is B. Here is why. The Privacy Act of 1974 governs the collection, use, and dissemination of personal information by federal agencies. Option A is regulated by the FCRA. Option C is regulated by laws like GLBA and FCRA. Option D involves private individuals, which are generally not covered by the Federal Privacy Act. Next question. Bill wants to search the internet for articles about check fraud using a search engine. Which of the following search strings will yield the best results? Is it A, file type, check fraud? Or B, an anchor, check fraud? Could it be C, site, check fraud? Or lastly, D, in title, check fraud? The correct answer is D. Here is why. The in title operator restricts results to pages where the phrase check fraud appears in the HTML title tag, which is a strong indicator of relevant content. Option A, file type, would search for files of a specific type, e.g. PDF, named check fraud. Option B, in anchor, searches for text and hyperlinks pointing to a page. Option C, site, restricts results to a specific domain named check fraud, which is nonsensical. Next question. Which of the following is a common use of public records in fraud examinations? Is it A, accessing an individual's income tax filings? Or B, tracing and recovering assets? Could it be C, obtaining a person's credit records? Or lastly, D, all of the above? The correct answer is B. Here is why. Public records, property UCC court records, are fundamental for identifying and tracing assets in fraud examinations. Option A is incorrect. Tax filings are private, not public records. Option C is incorrect. Credit reports are regulated consumer reports, not public records. While used, they are not obtained from public records in the traditional sense. That's it for today. How many did you score? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and tell me what topic I should cover next. Bye.